summer long. I'm going fishing, invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it, living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater backers on. Don't see.
Just doing some simple old Carolina rigs today. Nothing fancy. These ones look pretty good though. What kind of weight do we want to use? Let's go 4 ounce. 4. Got it. Oh, that's a little chilly out here. Chilly. The wind's blowing right at us. Of course, it's been a couple days ago, it was snowing. The next day, it was like 0 degrees at nighttime. Yesterday was pretty darn cold all day, and then today, supposed to be like 60. So hopefully all that winter nonsense is behind us and we can get into some of this good warm stuff. I'm not a fan of winter. I like being outside, being here. Oh man, I definitely also need to start throwing the cast net more, catching my own bait. Even though I love skipjack, you can't catch skipjack in my area, and man is it expensive. I went to the bait shop yesterday and bought 6 skipjacks. Woo! Almost had a heart attack when he said the price. Guess I should have paid attention to the price sheet there. But whatever, it is what it is. Let's cut us up. My gloves on. It's getting cold. Cutting board out here. I'm gonna put my chest cam on here in a minute, but I was gonna do the hat clip, but I think it's a little too windy for that. Man, it's pretty uncomfortable to wear. I'm just gonna be honest. So, small piece. We'll try it like this first, and then get no bites like this. I'm gonna fillet these pieces in half like I was doing last time I fished. Worked pretty good, but they come off the hook a lot easier filleted than when you're cutting them in chunks. Whew, dang, it's cold. I think it's like high 30s right now. Come on, warm up quickly. Using some circle hooks again. Carolina rig, 4 ounce sinkers, which these are not the sinkers that me and my buddy Shane actually started making our own lead sinkers. I got a video of that. Be dropping sometime. I don't know when. I was trying to get, I don't know, a couple videos. Well, I have 2 already ready to go. Hopefully this is my 3rd. Get some in the bank. That way we can just have a video released every week. That's the ideal. That's the plan. If it works, hey, you never know. But we're gonna try. Let's cast it out there. Right across from us, when the water's up, there's a creek that runs in on that side. This is normally a pretty good side, but looks like we got some structure that got washed over here, so let's not get tangled up on that. Current's moving pretty good. It's not super deep. Deep enough. Deep enough. Sunny days. I like sun. Definitely gonna be a muddy one. Hopefully we can get some bites down here. If not, we'll probably move back up that way. But I was trying to start down here. This is where I had some good luck. Last year about this time, got a big old channel cat. Biggest one I ever caught. See if I can get another one. It is windy. Goodness. Never fails. Supposed to be a nice day in Kansas. Hurricane. All right. This drag set. Yeah. Let's catch us a fish. Catch us a fish. I might try down a little bit farther. Oh, there's a bite. There's a bite. Gonna be a garfish. Small bite. This time of year it could be always a garfish in this river, but could be also debris because bottom hasn't turned over. Leaves and crap all down there. So gotta watch out for that too. But like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. I have not been. Oh, that's a good fish. There we go. There we go. We'll take that one. Come on. Oh yeah. We're on. Oh, don't slip in the mud. That would be funny. That was fast. Oh, that's a good channel. Tighten this drag up a little bit. There we go. That feels like maybe a. Oh yeah. That might be a 10-pounder. Oh, yes. Come on. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on. That's a good one. I miss channel cats like that. I've been catching less than 20 inches. Oh, that's a good one. Get over here. Oh, he's rolling. He's not as big as I thought he was. He's decent though. Close to 10 pounds. Big old head. Get your booty in here. Get your booty in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that boy. Got him. Yes. Right out of his mouth. Look at that thing. I wonder how much that was. Put him on the scale. Look at that channel cat. Look at that. Yes. Woo! I'm getting a little nibble. Or it's not. I think the line's probably moving. The slime cat one, it's either getting that small bite or the weights. I don't know. I think we might have something on that one. I think we might have some. Let's see. Oh, yep. Something's biting on it. Yep. Gotcha. Oh yeah, there he goes. Got him. Gotcha, baby. So there. Love this little spot on the river. There's like a little drop off of some sort right there. If you can get them up over it, they're there. Oh, feels like a better one. Feels like a better one. No, about the same size, maybe a little smaller. Healthy thing, healthy guy. Oh, he's smaller. He swallowed that hook though. Good job, circle hook. See if we can't get it out of there. Oh yeah, boom, another nice one. Look at that. Healthy thing. Probably not as big as the other one, but he's close. Yes. Let's go. We're getting them. All right, we arrived at spot number 2. Not too much of a big change, but we moved down quite a ways. I was trying to go farther, but we came to a little problem. There's a little creek right down there. I wanted to go on that point down there, but there's a creek blocking the way, and I feel like I would end up in the river trying to cross it. I could probably get across it, but is it worth possibly falling in the mud, maybe sinking? I don't think it was worth it, so we'll try right here. This is the farthest I've been down this way. The water's low like this, you can do a lot of bank walking, which is one of my favorite things to do. Wind is howling. Ugh. Uh-oh. What do we got? Oh, we're trying to eat some peanuts. Trying to eat some peanuts. Hungry. All slacked up. Oh, yep. I think there's something on there. Running with it. Reel down on him. Got him. Oh, that one feels better. That feels like a better fish. Oh, yeah. That feels like a good fish. Windy, you can hear the wind howling through my line. Come on. Stay on there. Stay on there. Sinking in the mud. That's a better fish. That's a better one. Oh yeah. Big channel kitty. See if I can find these grippers. There they are. That line pressure on them. Come on. Excuse me. Big old head on him. Come on. Come here. He's not as big as I thought he was gonna be, but he'll do. Still a good channel kitty. Oh, it's a real good channel cat. Let's see if we can get him in here. Got him. Gotcha, baby. Good channel kitty right there. Oh yeah. Yes. Look at that. Look at that dandy right there. Oh no! I think it still might be on there. I think I just messed it up. Oh. Yep. Oh, I thought I broke the freaking line, but it was just when I lifted it up off the rod holder, the spool opened up. That one's way out there. I sure thought I snapped that line. I was heartbroken. Got a little fight to him. Come on, baby. Between the current, 4-ounce sinker, and a fish, he feels like a giant every time. I'm not opposed to that. I got him out of the current now. He's not super big. Not super big, but we'll take him. 4th fish of the day. He's probably about the same size as the other one. It's 8 pound maybe. Oh, come on, baby. Channel kitty. Oh. Nice length on him. Gotcha, bro. Yeah, nice one. Ooh, he's cold. Boom, look at that. Look at that. Another good one. Healthy catfish, baby. Let's go. Look at that dude. Look at that dude. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. I was getting another bite on that one. What's up, my friends? We just got done making another video, and I figured I'd take this time to do an outro on my previous video because my audio wasn't working when I was down at the river fishing. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, if you would like a sticker or decal, my email's in the description, or you can hit me up in any social media. Just send me a direct message, send them out to you, no charge. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time.